how to turn on automatic brightness on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can turn on automatic brightness on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn on automatic brightness on your iPhone, go ahead and then make sure to launch settings. Now most of you actually might go into display and brightness and then just keep looking for hours and not find it. Well, automatic brightness or auto brightness is not inside the display and brightness section. So instead what you want to do is go to accessibility tab. When you go to accessibility, go to display and text size, and if you scroll down, here is actually the auto brightness toggle, as you can find here, and this is the one you want to actually turn on. So it is not inside display and brightness, but go inside accessibility and go to display and text size, and there you will find the auto brightness option. This way you will be able to turn on automatic brightness on iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.